Hello, so this application called Recurring Sales Order will allow you to manage your sales order and will also allow you to manage your recurring sales order. So let's see how this works. So first I need to go to settings. I will go to my users and I need to give the user rights to the particular user who will be taking care of the recurring sales order. So here I have enabled this option. As soon as you enable this option, you go to sales. Under configurations, we have a new submenu called recurring sales order. All the recurring sales order will be visible over here, and you can also create new recurring sales order directly from here. Before that, first we need to create a new sales order, and then we will create that particular sales order as a recurring sales order. So I will just add a product here. Let's say this is one of the products. I will confirm this. I will also make the delivery, validate this, and create the invoice as well. So now this is the sales order number 33. As you can see, confirm this, register the payment, and here you can see this is sales order number 33. Now we have to make this particular sales order recurring. So I will go to configurations and I will create a new recurring sales order. Let's say you can just give any name to the recurring sales order. You can choose a sales order number here. As soon as you do that, all the details will be automatically added. Now here you have to choose how soon you want it. Do you want to execute every week, month, days? You can choose that. Let's say I want to execute every week. So that will be starting from today to, let's say, 6th. So I will save this. Okay, so here you also have the option to notify this particular person that, okay, this is the recurring sales order, and I will also show you that. So I will save this now and I will start to process this. So once we start to process this, whenever this date arrives, that is every week starting from this date, a new sales order will be generated in your sales order itself. You'll be able to see that here. So for that, I will just, as of now, run it manually and show you how it looks like. So now let's go to sales. I've done it manually. Now if I go to configurations and recurring sales order, I can see all my recurring sales order here. So as it keeps on increasing, the date arrives, all the recurring sales order, the number of recurring sales order associated with this particular or sales order that you have created will be visible here. So right now we have one recurring sales order and that particular order will be visible here as well. So here you can see it's sales order number 34 for this particular item, and then you can confirm this and proceed. And also the person will be notified as well. So here you can see an email will be sent as well saying that there is a recurring sales order, and there will be a button as well to access that recurring sales order. So if I click on this, it will take me to that particular sales order that has been recurred, and you can see the details here. So this is how the application works. If you have any question, please leave your question in the comment section below and we'll get back to you with an answer. Also, do not forget to like our video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.